Hello to all my friends again. I am Vijay Lohar here with another server configuration in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, and that is Samba server. We all are very familiar with the Samba server since we are already using Samba server in our previous version of Linux operating system. Basically, Samba server provide the feature of file and print server for the cross-platform operating system like Windows and Linux operating system. It can perform as a primary domain controller, and with the newer version of Samba server, now it can be member of Active Directory domain controller also. So in this video, we are going to see how to configure basic Samba server, and further you can modify your Samba server with advanced settings. So let's proceed with the topic. Just log into your system first. As you can see here, we have logged into the system using root user account, and I'm using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.3 version. So what we have to do here is, first of all, verify your all initial settings are properly configured, like hostname. As you can see here, the hostname server1.nux.com is there. We are working with the same operating system we have configured in our previous video. So in this session, we are directly going to Samba server. We have already configured our YUM server and DNS and DHCP server with this system. So first of all, verify if your IP address is properly configured. And here is the IP address. So IP address is already there. Hostname has already set. So I'll just start my all service again. Systemctl start named the DNS server, bsftpd for the YUM server, DHCPD for the clients. And for this session, for particular this moment, I am just disabling SE Linux and firewall. So now we can proceed for the topic, and we will first of all install the RPM package Samba. Samba is the RPM package. It provides Samba server. Yes. As you can see here, our package is installed now. So I'm going to share a directory using Samba server with another platform operating system. I'll use Windows operating system to access Samba share directory. So I'm creating a directory with name Samba. Whatever name you can use here, and I'm assigning permission 777 for the Samba directory. And now I'm going to share this directory using Samba server. So what I have to do here is, I'll have to configure the main configuration file of Samba server, and that is etc samba smb.conf. And this is the main configuration file. You can add your share directory information here, like I'm doing here. Samba share, whatever name you can assign here, comment. This name will be the share name, and path of share directory will be Samba. This directory is going to be shared, and if you want to enable Samba user to write permission, you can use writable equal to yes. So you can save this file, and now you can start your Samba service using systemctl start Samba sorry, SMB is the daemon name of Samba server. So I'll start SMB service and we are going to enable the Samba service. So we have started our Samba server. So what we'll have to do here now is we'll have to create an user account who can access your Samba share directory. So I'm using user add user, whatever username you can assign here, and I'll assign password for the user, Samba user as Red Hat. I'm just assigning password Red Hat as the password for Samba user. I think password didn't match here, so Red Hat and Red Hat. So we have created a basic user account. Now we'll have to add this user account as a Samba user. So what command we'll use here is smb passwd add Samba user is the username of Samba user, and password is Red Hat again. You can assign another password to here, and as you can see here, your new user account is added as a Samba user, and now we'll have to enable this one. Okay, we have enabled the Samba user, and to verify whether the user is accessing your Samba share directory, first of all you will have to check whether your main configuration file is properly configured. So we can use command test param, and it will show you, as you can see here, processing section, this one, and here is your share directory information. So your main configuration file is properly configured, and if you want to verify whether the new user account, that is Samba user, is accessing your Samba share directory, you can use command smb Samba smb client minus capital L from server 1 user account will be Samba user, and the password is Red Hat. And you can see here your user account Samba user is accessing your Samba shared directory here. So how the other platform user can access this shared directory? I have already installed another operating system here, that is Windows XP. So we'll verify whether the XP operating system can access your Samba share directory using Samba user account. So I'm going to switch it on. So here is your client operating system is ready. Let's verify whether the IP address is properly configured. So I will use command ipconfig /release and renew it again. As our Samba server is also performing as a DHCP server, the IP must be, as you can see here, we have got IP address from nux.com, 101 is the IP address, and now we can verify our server is properly connected. Yes, we are getting reply. So now I can try to access Samba share directory. So what I have to do here is / and server name, and as you can see here we have login wizard here. So I will use Samba user as the Samba username, and password was Red Hat. So we are accessing this share directory here, and let's try if I can write it here. Yes, I'm writing, and I'm uploading file in Samba share server. So guys, that's all for the Samba basic server configuration. You can further proceed for some advanced settings, and in our next video we are going to see how to configure Samba primary domain controller so that client can join this Samba domain. And I hope you like this video. If so, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe with our channel. Till our next video, goodbye.